2014 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, brake assist, panic alarm, cargo net, overhead console, carpeted floor mats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.